Hi guys, this is Antimo Cimino and today I am with my friend Alessandro.
Ciao a tutti!
We are in the Salento region here outside of Lecce, and what is typical in this region is the Frisa and pomodori. Frisa is a type of bread that lasts a long time. And today with Alessandro we're gonna show you how to prepare them in a varieties of way. Alessandro, sei pronto?
Tutto ok, andiamo!
Allora andiamo. Outside of Alessandro's patio outside, and we are going to know all about how to make frisa. Quindi Alessandro, quali sono gli ingredienti per fare la frisa, per condire la frisa?
Frise di grano e di orzo cotte nel forno a legna.
So we have two types of frisa, one is of durum and one is made with barley, and they're baked in a wood burning oven.
Cipolle grigliate.
These are grilled onions.
Sale, origano e olio extravergine d'oliva.
And of course salt, oregano and extra virgin olive oil.
Un primo sale con pomodori e rucola.
This is a fantastic cheese. This is a primo sale with tomatoes and arugula.
E per finire dei cocomeri di paese.
And these are really interesting because there are different types of cucumber that have very good flavor and they're very seasonal here.
Iniziamo!
Perfect. We are now immersing the frisa in some water for just 5-6 seconds. And then you let the excess water drain. You take some fresh tomatoes and slice them like so. And now you squeeze all the pulp and seeds onto the frisa directly. And you leave the tomatoes on the side of the dish because we are gonna eat those. Some salt, some dry oregano, and of course extra virgin olive oil. Don't be shy with it. The next one we're trying is the barley frisa, which is simply made from barley, but the process is the same. Into the water, drain the water, and proceed to dress that with some tomatoes. In this case, we're gonna show you how else can you enjoy a frisa with what kind of ingredients, like some fresh cucumber. In this case, we have the grilled onions, but it could be grilled eggplants, grilled zucchini, and even better, some fresh local peppers that are lightly fried in olive oil. They make the perfect dinner alongside with a cheese of your liking. Can be the primo sale, like in this case, or mozzarella cheese, or a nice slice of pecorino. So as you see, Alessandro is placing the grilled onions onto the frisa just like that, and some to the side for extra. Don't forget the olive oil, of course. It's a very, very essential ingredient. And a nice slice of primo sale.
E questa fisa è pronta per essere mangiata. Buon appetito!